You just signed up to do foundation repair on your home, and foundation repair involves digging, equipment, and workers being around your home. If you have kids or dogs, that can feel incredibly stressful and worrisome to have to balance all these things going on with the kiddos, the pets, and now you got workers at your house. So very stressful situation. The main question you're asking yourself right now is, got the kids and the pets, how do I keep everyone safe during this big foundation repair process? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we've been fixing foundations in the Brazos Valley area for the past 40 years. We've worked around a lot of families and pets in those years and know how to keep work zones safe and communicate clearly with homeowners. To answer your question about how the home is kept safe during the foundation repair process, it comes down to really two different things: barriers and boundaries, and good communication with the contractor. These are things that any good contractor should be doing when they're about to be doing work on your home. So, barriers and boundaries. Every contractor should be putting some sort of barrier or boundary up around the construction zone, or use something to cover the hazard areas such as holes in the yard. That's what we do here at Anchor. We're gonna put plywood boards on top of the holes that we're gonna be digging. And sometimes we put up temporary fences in different scenarios, but that's really on the rare side. That way we don't have to worry about anyone tripping or falling into those holes and that becoming a hazard. So every contractor should have some version of that. Next one being communication. Communication is a very simple thing that can help keep the work zone safe and efficient and hazard-free. Some simple communication with your contractor can help minimize the risk of hazards even presenting themselves. And just letting them know you have kids and pets that may need to use the space where the work's ongoing. That way the contractor can adjust their approach to the job and keep the work area safer for your family and your pets. So to answer the question about safety around the home during foundation repairs, it's certainly a valid concern, but with the right precautions taken, can be handled very well and safely whenever you're doing foundation repair on your home. What should you be doing now? Before work starts on your home, talk to your contractor and let them know about your family situation. Ask how they'll keep the work zone safe and if there are some things that you can do on your end as a homeowner. A good contractor will appreciate the heads up and work with you to help protect everyone. If you'd like to take a deeper dive on this topic, we're going to put a link down below in the description that'll take you to an article on our website where you can do that extra research.